Hello everyone, welcome to Rhythm Radar for another tutorial. Another warm-up exercise today. This one is based on double paradiddles. If you don't know the double paradiddle, it's very simple. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Para, paradiddle, para, paradiddle. Having a bar of 16th notes, two double paradiddles will cover my first three beats. Para, paradiddle, para, paradiddle. 1 E enter, 2 E enter, 3 E enter. Then we have one more beat left to fill. That last beat could be single notes 4 E enter, or doubles 4 E enter, or a single paradiddle 4 E enter. If I add a single paradiddle, that means that the next bar will start with my left hand leading. So, for example, 1 E enter, 2 E enter, 3 E enter, 4 E enter, 1 E enter, 2 E enter, 3 E enter, 4 E enter. Well, as you can see on my whiteboard, I have two double paradiddles, and these cover my first three beats, and then a gap where I can add whatever I want. I can add single notes, I can add double notes, I can add a paradiddle, or it could be triplets, or it could be even sixth notes. So now I will play an example with adding sixth notes at the end. It sounds something like that. Para, paradiddle, para, paradiddle, takata, takata, para, paradiddle, para, paradiddle. You can try all this, or if you are in an advanced level, then you can make it a bit more challenging by playing at the last beat the 6 strokes roll. If you don't know the 6 strokes roll, this is right, left, left, right, right, left. 1 triplet, 2 triplet. So right with an accent, left, left, right, right, left with an accent. So we accenting the two single notes. Our bar now, it will sound like this. Para, paradiddle, para, paradiddle, takata, takata, para, paradiddle, para, paradiddle. Finalizing my exercise, I'm going to add a few accents. So I'm accenting the first and the fourth of the single notes of the double paradiddle. Right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, left. And then the two single notes inside my 6 stroke roll. Let's see how it sounds like. Using my metronome, 100 BPM. 1, 2, 3, go. If you didn't have enough and you want to make it even more challenging, take this 6 strokes roll and place it in the middle of the bar, between the two double paradiddles. My metronome 100 BPM, that sounds like that. 1, 2, 3, go. And that's it. one of my favorite warm-up exercises. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you at the next one.